Okay, this is a quick video about how to replace the window glass for 2008 F150. I believe it's from '04 to maybe 2012 or something like that. Might be. I was searching on how to replace the window glass on the '08 F150, and I never seen any video. You see, even the oldest trucks or the newest. So I made this video, might be help someone, because it took me a time to figure out how to replace this window. So my window was broken, so I already did everything, so I just made this quick video to show you how to replace it. So the first of all, you're gonna remove the panel, the door panel. So it's gonna remove this window switch cover. Just pop it up, and then you will see an 8mm bolt right there, and there is two 8mm bolt on the handle, which is this one. You gotta remove the handle cover first. Just pop it up, and then you will see two 8mm bolts, and then you gotta remove the speaker cover. You're gonna also pop it up with a screwdriver. This is my best tool right here. When you pop it up, there is also two 6mm bolt in the bottom of this one there, and then you will see the speakers. It's a 6mm bolt, 6mm bolts for the speakers. It's 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have to remove the clips, 2 of them. So you can slide it up. See that here, hangers. So after you remove the speakers, and then you just gonna pop it up, just push it up, and what comes out with you. And then you have to remove the window regulator right here. You just lose the bolt. You don't have to take it out all the way, like you see here. This is a bolt, and then just to slide it up. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna have to take out the one for the motor, and then just to drop the window regulator. And then you're gonna have to take this molding out. Just take it out like that. And then the other side, you have to take this one out also. You need a big room to just slide down this window, I mean the glass. You just have to take this out, like just to slide it out from here. So you're gonna have big room to drop this glass. Without this, you cannot just drop it. It's not so easy. You can break the glass. So after that, like you see, sorry, I have no one to handle the phone. Okay, because I already bought it now. So you're gonna have to put it like that, just to drop the front first. You're gonna drop this one first. You're gonna have big room here, so it's gonna be easy to just put it from this side. You're gonna put this side down like that, and then just wiggle it until you put it in here, and the other side too. So this is the easiest way to put this window without removing this one, this molding and that molding and the window regulator. You cannot put it in. That's the way. Like you see now, it's so easy for me to install it this way. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, just comment below. Thank you.